Hello everyone, thanks for joining me today. Welcome to this calming and relaxing yoga practice. Find a peaceful and quiet space where you can let go of any tension and allow your body to relax deeply. Begin by kneeling on your mat with your knees about hip width apart. Gently lower your hips toward your heels, feeling the soft stretch in your thighs and lower back as you ease into the position. Let your hands rest gently on your thighs and take a few moments to settle in, allowing your body to connect with the head beneath you. Begin to take long, deep breaths, inhaling through your nose, filling your lungs with fresh air and exhaling slowly through your mouth. Releasing any stress you may be holding onto. From here, gently begin to transition into child's pose or balasana. Start by bringing your hips lower toward your heels, allowing your body to fold forward. Walk your hands out in front of you, reaching toward the top of your mat. Let your forehead rest lightly on the mat, creating a sense of grounding and calm as you feel supported by the earth. Take a few moments here to settle into the pose, noticing how your body feels as it releases tension and opens up with each breath. Stay here for 10 to 15 seconds. Now come into a comfortable tabletop position on your mat. Place your hands directly beneath your shoulders and your knees aligned under your hips. Take a few deep breaths, gently inhaling through your nose and exhaling through your mouth, releasing any tension or stress you may be carrying with you. As you settle into the moment, slowly begin to shift your hips back towards your heels, keeping your arms extended in front of you. Gently walk your hands further away from your body, reaching them towards the top of your mat. Allow your forehead to rest on the mat, grounding yourself in this beautiful, restful shape. I want you to feel the gentle stretch across your spine as you allow your chest to open. Let your shoulders soften and feel the lengthening of your neck as your head rests lightly on the mat. Let go of any tension in your back, your arms and your legs, releasing all the tightness in your body with each breath. Focus on your breathing. Take long, slow inhales through your nose and exhale gently through your mouth. Let your breath become the anchor, guiding you into a deeper sense of relaxation. With each inhale, feel your body expand and fill with calm. And with each exhale, let go of any stress or negative energy. As you stay in this pose, notice the gentle opening in your chest and shoulders, the softening of your back, and the quiet stillness around you. Puppy pose is a wonderful opportunity to simply relax, to reconnect with your breath, and to release any tension you've been holding on to. Stay in the pose for as long as feels right for you. When you are ready to come out of the pose, slowly begin to walk your hands back toward your body, bringing your hips back to a neutral position. Take a moment to notice how your body feels peaceful, stretched and relaxed. Carry that sense of calm with you as you move through the rest of your practice or into the rest of your day. Thanks for joining me once again. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. We'll see you again next time. Have a nice day.